Welcome back to Storytime All. Today we are going to be reading Little Blue Trucks, Christmas, written by Schertle, illustrated by McElmurry. Here we go. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Five trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Five green trees make one big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. One tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. The end. Thank you so much for reading with me. If you enjoyed, please don't forget like and subscribe so we can reading again together. You take care now. See you back here soon. Bye bye.